here, Bud. Come back to me.
I have crossed the horizon to find you.
It wasn't your fault, Bud.
I know your name.
They made you do it.
They have stolen the heart from inside you.
You'd never hurt him.
But this does not define you.
You'd never hurt me.
This is not who you are.
Please, you are my best friend, Bud.
You know who you are.
My best friend.
Attaboy, that's it!